This video is starting off.
How's it starting off?
Pretty good. Pretty good for us, not so good for y'all. Because we are gonna get to see what the wrap looks like, but you do not.
The box is already open?
Who's been looking in here? Hey. Hi. Love that dog. All right, here we go. I don't have my knife or anything. Let's use the key. Most of my videos, they start off, you know, just some random stuff. Then we get into the good stuff of the vlog. We're starting off quick today. Starting off quick. If I can get it open. Set it out. Easy. Easy. Careful. 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 Shh. 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 Alright. One more. Don't look at my butt. You looking at my butt?
It's disgusting.
It's a cute butt.
No, it's not.
All this tape and whatnot.
It's a nice ass exhaust setup.
Moment of truth.
I don't know, it doesn't look like a color.
No, because it's got this like protective film. You see it up top here?
Oh.
Ooh.
I can see it now. All right, good enough. Your dirty fingernails.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look, you can see it.
My goodness.
Good day.
So you guys aren't gonna be able to see what color it is. Obviously these clips obviously these clips are in black and white, so you can tell that it's reflective though. That's the only thing they'll be able to tell. Is that it's reflective. Is that okay? I guess. That's the look she's giving me. She's just like, I guess. Okay, let's all right.
It's so pretty.
Back to the back to the work shenanigans for the day.
Have a name for the order?
Alex,
Alan, thank you. How may I serve you today?
can I get a large sweet tea and a cup of ice? Throwing some fresh meat on the Ford. 420s. What y'all know about the 420s? Davis likes the 420s. We got a head nod. That's all that matters. Still got the Bel Air at the shop with the teal guts, the clean inside. My ride today for lunch is better than yours, and I'm not talking about the wide bow tie. Ooh, that's 6 full liters. 6 full liters
American horsepower.
of American horsepower right there. Absolutely beautiful. Me and Lance are having way too much fun right now. So to a normal person, this looks like a tree with a broomstick coming out from between it. But if you turn it over this way, what does it look like? Well, boys, quick decision. Today's the day. No more squat. It's time for it to go. But 4-inch spacers, they gotta stay. It comes with a dongle. Whack. Came to see my boys at the upholstery shop. Look at the new door. Look at this door. Look, nice new like rope. Look, open, closed. That's a nice door. That's a nice door.
Yeah.
That's a nice door. This place, so you guys know, I've shown it a little bit. Alex has been moving into this new space. It's turned out really nice. I didn't see the vision at first. I knew it would be nice, but I never saw the vision. Now it's finally coming together.
My vision
I really like it. I like it.
Yeah.
We got the nice, I don't even know what kind of chair this is. Is this, I don't want to sit in, I'm dirty. I don't want to mess it up. So I squatted the truck, and then I unsquatted it today. So yes, the squat is gone. I'll show you guys in a second. Squat's gone. I couldn't do it anymore. I had it for like a week and then put it back. I couldn't, no, can't do it. Yeah. I'm a little upset. We were gonna start the wrap today, but as you can tell behind me, the rain is on its freaking, like, it is gonna pour rain on me on the way home. And you guys know the 5% windshield tint and rain don't really go well together. So I'm gonna run and hurry home. I got a part to order for the truck tonight, so I'll bring you guys along for that. I think I've found something to do with these tires. That's happening this weekend. That's freaking awesome. So you guys need to stay tuned for the tires that are in the back of the truck. I have an awesome plan, and it involves a subscriber from out of town. So you guys just need to stay tuned. Promise me that you will subscribe so you guys can see that. It's gonna be awesome, absolutely awesome. So yeah, I don't wanna get caught in the rain, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Yeah, this is not fun. Not fun. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of back and forth. Some people are like, yes, I'm glad he's gotten rid of the squat. Some people are like, no, you should have kept it, it looked really good. I feel both ways. I really like the squat, but the reasons that I don't like the squat are enough for me to change it and not keep it. I mean, hell, it was only what, less than a week that I had the squat, and I've already changed it back. And you guys kind of deserve a little bit of an explanation on why I keep jumping back and forth. Now, don't, you know, just as a disclaimer real quick, the 4-inch spacers are still on the truck. So the truck is still wide as shit, just no more squat. And like I said, you guys deserve a little bit of an explanation to why I got rid of the squat so quick. Dang. That's cute.
Ew, that's not cute. It looks bad.
So what do you think? The 4-inch spacers with no squat.
I don't like it.
What do you mean you don't like it?
Because you have stuff in the trunk and it should be weighed down.
It's a trunk.
Ugly. Ugly.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm really mad. I even posted, don't do it, and you did it anyway.
I'd already done it by the time I posted the picture. So there's a couple reasons why I got rid of the squat so quickly. Like I said, you guys deserve a little bit of an explanation, and she does as well in the truck with me. So I was at work today, and just spur of the moment, you know, I felt like it was time to go. One, I've only got like this much room. My shocks were bottoming out, and I didn't feel like I wanted to blow a shock or anything. All that weight on the 14 wides and the 4-inch spacers was making the truck real sluggish in the back. And
did you keep the spacers on?
The spacers are still on, yeah. Yay. So we're extra wide. That extra wide bow tie.
All outside.
I've never heard that before. Wide and all outside.
Are you kidding?
I don't think I've ever heard that before. That's pretty. It messes with my gas tank, so my gas tank is off, and that annoys the hell out of me. So for those, you know, there's a couple solid reasons in there. One that just kind of annoys me, but the main reason is I feel like the squatted truck just isn't me. I feel like it's not my brand. It's not my person. Like, I'm not a squatted truck person. You know what I mean? I'm that wide bow tie, but I'm not that squatted bow tie. Does that make sense?
Even though that's why I DM'd you.
But it's not me. You know, I did it because it was cool. You know, I gained a couple followers, lost a couple followers, but you gotta stay true to what you're doing and stay true to your lane. Stay in your lane. You know, there's some people the squat works for, some people it doesn't. I just don't think it's my thing. You know, I like squatted trucks. And then don't get me wrong. It looked really good on my truck, but it just ain't.
It didn't look really good. It looked sexy. There's a difference.
I don't know.
Why is nobody outside right now?
It's not my thing.
Weird.
Not my thing. But enough talk about stupid squatted trucks. I hate squatted trucks.
They're looking.
Hence the time. It's time to go get something to eat. I swear, I eat lemon pepper chicken wings more than anything in my entire life. But you really can't go wrong with lemon pepper chicken wings. Hi. Hey, big boy. Hi. It's been a long day, huh? It's been a long day. He's a good boy. Yeah, it's been a long day. Look at him. But that just means we got a new opportunity tomorrow to wake up and grind our hearts out. Grind our hearts out. Isn't that right? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, yeah, I'm getting tired. I need something to eat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.